What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I'm coming to you today from the 2019 GX 460. I've just left church, and I don't know how many people that follow or watch my channel are religious or Christian folks, but today's service was about lust. We've been talking about the 7 deadly sins, and today was the last one, lust. So yeah, it was we were kind of put on the spot today. Everybody kind of looking around at each other. I think there were some bashful faces. Anyway, they don't hold back at my church. It's one of these non-denominational kind of alternative churches. So yeah, we all had a good laugh, and in all seriousness, it was very eye-opening. But anyway, I'm not here to preach. I just haven't I don't think I've done much content on this thing since we got it. I think maybe I've only put one video up. It's cold and it's raining, so I don't know if I'll hop out of the car. I'll see how warm I get up here. I might do a little quick walk around, but I thought I'd take it up here to my little 0 to 60 spot. Let's step on it, see how she's doing. I mean, 2019 with 14,000 whopping miles. Woohoo! 14,308. It's just recently had its 3rd oil change, I believe. Maybe that was the second oil change. And the tires rotated. The tire store was telling us, oh, those tires are 2019s. Y'all might want to think about replacing them. They look like brand new, man. And they're Michelins. So, yeah. No cracks in them, and they're Michelins. Yeah, I think we're just going to use them. She'll hustle. It's amazing how well Lexus designed this truck-based SUV to drive so well and so car-like. This thing is just phenomenal. My mother and I have been discussing getting a camper, like an R-Pod. I don't know much about campers, but she grew up camping and has not camped in 40 years. But she's kind of thinking about, she'd like to maybe get back into it. And I'm interested in the R-Pod because they look like they're the perfect size for 4 people. And this thing, I think, is rated to tow about it's either 7,700 pounds or 6,700 pounds. And I mean, the R-Pod, I think it's like 3,000 pounds, so it doesn't even come close to maxing this thing out. And this has the factory tow package, so it's got all the little coolers and the auxiliary fan and all the good stuff you need to pull a load. But anyway, here she is, rainy day, kind of dirty. But, dude, this is the closest new 2019 you can find, I believe, anywhere, period, on the planet. It doesn't have a scratch. It doesn't have a door ding. I mean, it is just a spotless vehicle, like brand new, no wear and tear. Just perfection. Yeah, this thing is 6 years old. Little old man owned it. Down in the villages of Florida. I mean, no grime, nothing. Yeah, these Michelin, what are these? Michelin Defenders? Michelin at Latitude? The little off, you know, the little Lexus off-road tire. Most of these came with Dunlops. And if you Google it, it says they come with Dunlop tires, but not this one. Florida GX 460s came with Michelin's. Because these are the original tires. Look at that driver's seat. I mean, all this is just brand new looking. Let's see, I think we got this back in February or March, and it had 12,000 miles, so you can see how many miles my mom's put on it in 7-8 months this year. 2,500 miles, I guess. Not many. Not many at all. But yeah, this thing, great, man. And we picked it up for 40 grand even. Some people might argue that that's expensive, but I'm in the used car business, and if it was 11,000 miles or 12,000, I can't remember, 12,000 miles that had on it, and it was filthy and, you know, no, but to be perfection and absolutely like brand new, I think $40,000 was a damn deal. A damn deal. So we'll enjoy this thing for the rest of our lives unless something happens to it. And I've got of course, the old 06 LS 430, and I'm never planning on selling that car. Like I said, as long as, you know, it doesn't get wrecked, or, you know, if something happens to me, I'll just hand it off to somebody, my wife or kids or whatever. And yeah, this is a great truck, and I'm so glad that it came optioned with the factory Lexus tow package and accessories, so that we can start maybe doing a little RVing. I think that would be fun. We could start a new channel and start doing some camping type stuff. We have a ton of camping just here locally around us. We would not even have to travel very far. There are 4 major lakes here in the North Georgia area. There may be actually a 5th, but we have Lake Altoona, which is right here. I mean, we are less than a half a mile from it. Then there's Lake Lanier, and we got Lake Blue Ridge, and we got Lake Burton. I know I'm forgetting a couple up here in North Georgia, and there's tons of places just to go camp. So it's not like we would have to, if we wanted to do cross-country camping, we could, great. If not, just hook it up and sneak off for the weekend and camp. That'd be fun. So anyway, but that's just a quick little update on the GX 460 2019 with 14,000 miles. She is a dreamboat, man, and she is like built out of an anvil. I mean, just carved from steel. So solid, like a rock. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one, y'all. Peace.